You are not angry. You are weak, and your anger is the proof. Every time you explode, every time you raise your voice, every time someone's words ruin your entire day, you are telling the world one thing: I have no control over myself. And you call that passion. Marcus Aurelius called it surrender. 2,000 years ago, a man ruled the most powerful empire on earth. Generals disobeyed him. Senators betrayed him. His own family disappointed him. And in all of recorded history, there is not a single account of Marcus Aurelius losing his temper. Not because he felt nothing, because he understood something most people today will never grasp. Anger is not power. Anger is the proof that something outside you is controlling you. Stay with me. Nobody makes you angry. You choose anger every single time. Marcus Aurelius wrote this to himself, alone at night. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Power over your mind, not over what people say. Over your response, your choice. Every time you rage, you are handing your power to them. When someone insults you, the insult travels from their mouth to your ears. And then, right there, you decide what it means. You decide if it destroys your day. You decide if it lives rent-free in your head for hours. That is not their power over you. That is you, voluntarily, giving away the only thing that is truly yours. The first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are. Untroubled spirit. Not because nothing bad happens, but because nothing outside can reach you without your permission. Epictetus was a slave. His master once twisted his leg, slowly, just to prove dominance. Epictetus looked at him calmly and said, "You are going to break it." The master twisted harder. It broke. Epictetus said, "Did I not tell you? No rage, no screaming, no revenge, just clarity." Because he knew his leg was outside his control, his response was not. Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens. What is in your power? Your response. That is it. Just your response. Everything else, what people say, what people do, what life throws at you, is outside your control. And when you rage against things outside your control, you are not fighting the world. You are fighting yourself and losing. Think about the last time you were truly angry. Someone's words, their actions, traffic, a comment online, all outside your control. All of it. You handed the keys of your mind to. Epictetus, with a broken leg and zero freedom, was freer than you are right now. Let that land. Seneca wrote an entire book about anger. De ira. On anger. And the most brutal thing he said was this: anger is like ruins. It destroys itself with its own weight. Ruins. Not the person you're angry at. Not the situation. You. When you rage, your cortisol spikes. Your thinking narrows. Your relationships crack. Your reputation suffers. And the person you were angry at? They go home. They eat dinner. They sleep. While you burn. He who is angry has already lost the first battle. With himself. The first battle. Not with the world. not with your enemies, with yourself. And you lost it, before anyone else had a chance to defeat you. You defeated yourself. With your own fire. The person who stays calm while you rage has already won. Not because they feel nothing, because they chose something. They chose themselves over the chaos. Here is the twist most people never see coming. Your anger is not about them. It never was. Your anger is a mirror. Every time someone triggers your rage, they are not creating something new inside you. They are revealing something that was already there, an unhealed wound, an unmet expectation, a fear you never faced, a weakness you never addressed. The angrier you are at someone, the more they are showing you something about yourself that you have refused to look at. Marcus Aurelius didn't just control his anger, he used it. Every moment of irritation was data. Data about where he still had work to do, on himself. Never esteem anything as of advantage to you that will make you break your word or lose your self-respect. Your anger breaks your self-respect. Every explosion is you saying, I am still at the mercy of the world. I am not who I think I am. The Stoics didn't become cold. They became strong. Cold means you feel nothing. Strong means nothing controls you. Your anger will rise again. It always does. The question is not whether it rises. The question is, who is in control when it does? Marcus Aurelius gives you your final command. Stop justifying your anger. Stop calling it passion. Stop calling it strength. It is the oldest proof of weakness that exists. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. The next time the rage rises, pause, one breath, and ask, is this me being strong? Or is this me surrendering? Again? If this hits something real, subscribe. We post Stoic wisdom every week. Dark, honest, unfiltered. Because you deserve truth, not comfort.